Hi everybody, my name is Jamie. Welcome to my channel. This is my very first YouTube video, so sitting and talking to the camera is very strange. My content is going to be cleaning and organizing, so I hope you'll stay and watch. And just a little background so you know what you're watching. It's just me and my husband and my little pup, and we live in Vilseck, Germany. We are myself from Minnesota and my husband from California, and we are a military family. My husband is a full-time soldier, so he's active duty, and I am a part-time soldier, so I am in the Army Reserves. And we're both over here in Europe. I love YouTube. I've been watching YouTube since 2009 pretty consistently, and my husband also loves YouTube. So we started a vlogging channel to document our travels, but then coronavirus happened, hashtag 2020, and we haven't got to travel near as much as we hoped to this year, and our time in Europe is coming to a close. At least we hope it's coming to a close. So we've been here about 2.5 years, and we are ready for the next adventure. So as I'm cleaning and organizing my home, you're gonna see American products, you're gonna see German products, you're gonna see American furniture inside a German home. And so if you see anything strange or anything that you're like, what the heck is that? It's probably because we live in Europe, so just keep that in mind. And I hope that I didn't ramble awkwardly too long, and I hope you will keep watching.
Didn't I wait for you? Didn't I say I'm sorry? Didn't I do the best I could? You have high expectations. Don't I know that you've explained it? How I should prove myself to you, but I can't when I'm with you. I need to laugh again, but I can't when I'm with you. I need to find my way by myself. I cannot wait until you hear my story. I cannot wait until I burst. If I could have a day without no worries, maybe I figured out a way to stay. Didn't I put you first? Didn't I reassure you? Did you ever do those things for me? I don't mind complicated, but the line is crossed. I'm waiting for a sincere apology, but you can't when you're with me. You need to find a way, but you can't when you're with me. You can with everyone else, just not me. I cannot wait until you hear my story. I cannot wait until I burst. If I could have a day without no worries, maybe I figured out a way to stay. Didn't I wait for you, yeah? Didn't I say I'm sorry? Didn't I do the best I could? You have high expectations. Oh, I know that you've explained it. How I should prove myself to you. If I could have a day without no worries, maybe I figured out a way to stay. I cannot wait until you hear my story.
So the house you're seeing me clean, we have lived in for 2.5 years. We live in Vilseck, Germany because, as I mentioned previously, we are a military family. So it is definitely a rental property. It is leased by the military, so it's technically government housing, but we live off of the military base in the town of Vilseck. And we have days where we absolutely love it, and we have days where we can't wait to go home to America, which we are coming up on shortly, or at least within a year, which isn't that much time when you're making an international move. So hopefully, as this pandemic is fading out, we are ready to go home, and our next stop is hopefully California, where my husband is from. But I guess we will just wait and see, because as a military family, things are definitely often up in the air. And my cute little buddy you see following me around's name is Olaf.
From my window, sun's coming up like the day before. You're like a stone on my pillow. I don't make a sound when I shut the door. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon, Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on, all the way baritone. Yeah. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed. I get the wine and the corkscrew. You don't have to do one single thing. You don't know how much I want you. Just looking at you makes my whole world spin. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon, Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on, all the way baritone. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed. Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on, all the way baritone. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed.
It was a Thursday night when I first saw you. Those green eyes caught me. Yeah, it was crazy. It was a Friday night when I first kissed you. You struck me like lightning. You broke my chains and released me. And days turned into nights on the couch in your apartment. No, I am not the same. Everything has changed. Every day 24/7
I did go back and put the clean sheets and clean bedding on my bed, which isn't really anything fancy because we live in Europe and the bed sizes are different and I haven't been able to purchase what I really want. And then I moved on to putting away some dishes so I'd have somewhere to empty out any dishes that need to dry from the dishwasher onto my drying mat.
Every day, yeah, every day, babe. And days turned into nights on the couch. No, I am not the same. Everything has changed. Every day, 24/7, you call my name, and I will come running. Yeah, every day, 24/7. Yeah, every day, I will come running, babe.
As you may pick up, I am hyper aware of the camera because it is not very safely stationed where it's at, so I'm really afraid of it falling down and crashing to its death. That's why you keep seeing me make awkward eye contact. I continue to sanitize our less than ideal German kitchen. I will have to give a full tour so you can really see how tiny it is.
Even if I try to leave, you still make me wanna stay. You ask me to believe in the words that you say, but I can't be strong if you can't move on. Don't you think we've had enough of the drama you bring? Ain't you tired of thinking we can get through anything? 'Cause I can't move on if you can't be strong. But every time I hear you say my name, it always feels the same. 'Cause I loved you for.
So I'm cleaning my glass top stove, which I end up needing a little bit harsher of a chemical. So I use some glass stovetop cleaner, which ends up being basically gone. So I grab another bottle and it ends up being so new that I also can't get any product out of it. So I end up just taking the cap off and dumping it on and then just rubbing it around the cooktops that need the harsher chemical. And then I guess I never pick up my camera again because you don't see the final result of a clean glass cooktop. Instead, you just get a shot of my cute puppy.